Welcome to the Crypto Boss Angels channel. Let's look at Bitcoin too. It is kind of a new coin on Mex Global. You could say it's probably going to be another meme coin like Wojak, PP2, all those coins that had a decent run up and now are probably going to keep bleeding out. Though the market cap is $4 million, so I thought I'd cover it. Daily chart doesn't have any stock RSI yet. The 4-hour chart just got it a little bit ago. The 4-hour chart right now, obviously, in a really tough and massive downtrend. So until you really break this downtrend, there's no reason to be bullish. I would say right now that line to break is at 26. If you want to be really safe, you can call it 27 cents. But I would say 26 cents. 27 cents to be really safe is the line you have to break. I'm actually in a hedge long, and a hedge short from 22 cents. If it goes above 24, I'll be stopped out of the short, and 20 cents I think is my 20 cents is my stop loss the other way. So we'll see what happens. Whichever, if it keeps going down, then I'll make money on the downside. If it wants to reverse now, I'll make money on the upside. We'll see what happens. But right now on the 4-hour chart, even according to the Emoji Cloud, you're not bullish unless you break 44 cents, which is a long ways away. 4-hour chart is probably looking like it's going to make a lower high on the stock RSI. I mean, it basically have to. It's never even been overbought on the 4-hour chart. So that's how. Yeah, that's how bad the downfall is. The 1-hour chart right now is overbought, making a lower high. So I hate to say it. But overall, it's not very bearish. Now, I guess right here it did get to 24.5, but the last time it was really overbought was all the way up here at 36 cents. So to me, that's still a lower high in the 1-hour chart. And the 15-minute chart right now, you'd want to see this make a higher low above, basically above 21 cents. If it does that, say it goes down to 22 cents, makes a higher low on the 15, then maybe you could turn bullish. It's also below the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart, which is currently at 24.4. So unless you don't, even on the smaller time frames, 24.4 is the price you have to break to be bullish, and the stock RSI is overbought in the 15. So we'll see what happens. It did make a higher high, just needs to make a higher low now above 21. I would say above 22 actually. So we'll see what happens. But right now, it's still, in my opinion, downtrend until you at least break 27 cents. Is that what I said? So that's kind of what you're looking at right now. 26, 27 cents would be confirmation of a breakout, in my humble opinion. So that's kind of what I'm looking at. It's just a coin I'm looking to trade. I do think it's probably going to keep going down, but anything can happen. It is a small market cap is pretty low now at 4 million, so there's a chance this is the bottom. But if you just look at other coins like Wojak, PP2, and all those other meme coins that pumped and dumped, they never really get much of a recovery. So we'll see what happens. But this is not financial advice. If it does get the bounce, I'm looking for 42 cents as resistance, and I'm not bullish until it gets above 27 cents. If it keeps going to the downside, there's really no support below it because you can see you went straight up. So to me, the only support it has is maybe these psychological supports every 10 cents, at 20 cents, at 10 cents. Although it already went down to 18 cents. So we'll see what happens. But I'm believing it's going to keep going down. But if it wants to have a nice run up here again, it could so easily do that with such a micro market cap. If you guys have requests for other coins you would like me to look at, let me know. This is not financial advice. If you guys have not already hit the bell notification, make sure you do that on YouTube. And I will see you guys in the next update.